Hey, my name is Manoj, and I just recently turned 28. And for somebody like me, this is very scary. It's hard to digest the fact that I'm already in my late 20s. आजकल बर्थडे आने पे एक्साइटमेंट कम और डर ज़्यादा लगता है. I don't know what the future holds for me, especially with whatever is going on around the world.
संकट के बहुत
But whenever I'm watching the news, I do feel fortunate to be in a better position than most. Also, I believe the only good thing that has happened due to this lockdown is I could reconnect with people whom I've lost touch over the years. But you know what? If I have to speak about my last 5 years, they've been great. Spent 4 months at home after very long. I've traveled quite a bit in and around India, did an international trip, and met many like minded people. I've seen my relationship grow with my family and friends. Had my low moments, but always came out stronger. And obviously, there are things that I want to work on. Maybe finish a marathon sometime soon. And travel a lot more to places which are on my bucket list. If not, it's going to be a lifelong regret. Now, talking about the future, there's something that really bothers me. I don't know if it's the ultimate fear of getting old and dying someday, or is it just the emptiness that you feel from the inside for maybe not being able to leave your legacy behind. I don't know. But this lockdown has made me think so much about the uncertainty that lies ahead of my personal and professional career. I have this weird fear of what if I change as a person and no longer enjoy doing things that I do right now. And the ultimate fear of losing someone close to me. How am I going to deal with all of this? I'm no expert, but I've been thinking about these things a lot. The problem, I think, is with the expectation that we set for ourselves, the goal, ambitions, bucket list that we have. With age, it really starts to get to you. It haunts you and definitely gets in the way of you being content with yourself. Life becomes a lot more easier when you make peace with these things which are inevitable. You're going to age, and hopefully, a lot of these things are going to take care of themselves. It's better you put your energy into things that will help you grow. Frankly, nobody knows how long are we going to live. So maybe just look at age as just a number. In today's world where people are constantly craving for social validation and there's so much societal pressure to lead a life a certain way, I really wish they taught us how to be comfortable in our own skin, not having to be what others want us to be. I wish it was easy being content and turn the emphasis inwards to what our life is all about, what turns us on, what makes us feel electric, and chasing our dreams, and hopefully someday look back and be proud of our own story. But the reality is far from it. There are days when I get up and I really wish there was this pause button to life. But then there's no way around this. I think that's the beauty of life, that it never stops. And since we are talking about the future, I really hope someday the future me would look at this video, say maybe 10 years down the line, in 2030. If you're alive and you're watching this video, I just have this one message for you. I have no clue of what you would be doing right now, but I really hope you've figured things out along the way. And more importantly, you've made peace with life and you're happy with it. Because if not, तेरा कुछ नहीं हो सकता bro. I mean, हमारा कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Just know that if there's this one person that makes me hopeful of the future, that's you.